Title: The Farmer and the Giant Bird. In a distant village, a 50-year-old farmer sat on the ground, barefooted. His skin was tanned by the sun, deep wrinkles on his face, and silver strands in his beard showed his age. The experience was witnessed by the sons. He was wearing a simple white kurta, a brown waistcoat, and a white turban on his head. His arms were resting on his knees, and there was a strange calmness in his eyes. He had a strange creature. The bird was standing, a gigantic bird. This bird was different from ordinary birds, not only in size, but also in its presence. Its wings were half open, as if it were about to fly, and its shadow enveloped the farmer in its compassion. It was kept. Its large eyes were full of emotion and showed gentleness, as if this bird was not an ordinary bird, but the farmer's protector, his companion, and the confidant of his loneliness. Behind, the scene of the village. There, a mud house, green fields, and a golden sun slowly sinking into the horizon. In the evening light, the scene seemed like part of a dream. This is not just a farmer's story, but a symbol of that relationship. A relationship is established between man and nature, where even in silence there is a language. And friendship is not only with those of similar appearance, but with hearts.